A medical consent form for grandparents is a legal document that parents or legal guardians can use to grant their child's grandparents the authority to make healthcare decisions on behalf of the child. This form is particularly useful when parents or guardians can't be present due to travel, work commitments, or other circumstances. This child medical consent form for grandparents typically includes the child's medical information, the scope of medical decisions the grandparents can make, and the effective dates of this authorization. It is signed and ideally notarized by the parents or guardians, providing clear evidence of their intent. This free child medical consent form for grandparents is essential for ensuring your child's timely access to healthcare when you're unavailable. To use our medical consent form for grandparents, follow these steps. Download our free medical consent form for grandparents from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, fill out the forms. The parents or legal guardians should start by completing the form. This includes providing the child's personal information, medical details, and specific details about the grandparents who will be granted this authority. Next, specify the dates. The form should include start and end dates, outlining the duration of the grandparent's authority. This period is typically up to a year but varies based on personal circumstances and state laws. After filling out the form, parents or guardians should sign it. Depending on state laws, it might be necessary to have the form notarized for added legal validity. Once completed and signed, copies of the form should be given to the grandparents and the child's healthcare providers. This ensures that the grandparents can act when necessary. Here is a sample of our medical consent form for grandparents, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our medical consent form for grandparents, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.